Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best landscape lighting.
I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we all have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 10, we have the Hykolity Low Voltage LED Landscape Pathway Lights. The Hykolity Low Voltage LED Landscape Pathway Lights offer an impressive lighting solution that stands out for its energy efficiency and durability. With a significant 80% energy saving capability, these lights provide a powerful 150 lumen output while consuming only 3 W, equivalent to a 30 W incandescent bulb. They effortlessly illuminate paths, walkways, stairs, patios, gardens, and shrubs with a wide 139-degree beam angle, creating a bright yet soft ambiance. Installation is a breeze with the cleated heavy-duty stake design and quick install wire connector, allowing the lights to be securely and easily installed in the ground. While the package doesn't include the transformer and low-voltage wires, setting up these landscape lights is straightforward and hassle-free. The longevity of the Hykolity landscape pathway lights is noteworthy, thanks to their integrated LEDs, which can run up to an incredible 50,000 hours. With an estimated life of 23 years at 6 hours per day, these lights reduce the need for frequent replacements, providing you with long-lasting and reliable illumination. Built to withstand various weather conditions, these lights feature a durable cast aluminum construction that can endure rainy and snowy weather. With an IP65 waterproof rating, they continue to perform effectively even in wet locations, making them a reliable lighting choice for your outdoor spaces. Moving on at number 9, we have the Bell Plus Howl Swivel Disc Lights. The Bell Plus Howl Swivel Disc Lights are an impressive addition to any outdoor space, providing automatic and adjustable illumination that will transform your nights. These solar lights efficiently absorb solar energy during the day and shine brightly for over 10 hours after dusk. Despite their ultra-bright illumination, these solar garden stake lights remain discreet during the day, as each unit lays flat on the ground and is held in place by in-ground stakes, included with purchase. You wouldn't even know they're there until they magically turn on at night, creating a mesmerizing and inviting atmosphere. An exceptional feature that sets these lights apart is the manual override button. Unlike other similar products, each unit comes with an on/off toggle button, offering you full control. By switching to off, you can prevent the lights from turning on during the night, providing versatility for those times when you don't require super bright outdoor lighting. Installing the swivel disc lights is a breeze, taking just seconds right out of the box. They are wireless and require no batteries, ensuring maintenance-free operation. Simply attach the stakes and place the lights anywhere outdoors, in your lawn, garden, or along pathways and stairs, to create a captivating and well-lit outdoor environment. At number 8, we have the Hampton Bay Low Voltage LED Bronze Outdoor Light. The Hampton Bay Low Voltage LED Bronze Outdoor Light is a refurbished gem that brings the perfect blend of beauty and functionality to your outdoor space. The refurbishing process involves thorough functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and careful repackaging. When you receive this outdoor light, it comes complete with all the relevant accessories, ensuring a hassle-free setup. While it may arrive in a generic box, rest assured that the quality and performance are second to none. With its charming bronze finish, this outdoor light adds a touch of elegance to any landscape or garden. The low-voltage LED design ensures energy-efficient operation, illuminating your outdoor areas with a soft and welcoming glow. Whether used to enhance the beauty of your garden or to provide safe and well-lit pathways, this outdoor light delivers on both style and functionality. At number 7, we have the GreenClick Landscape Lighting. The GreenClick Landscape Lighting is a remarkable and safe lighting solution that will transform your outdoor spaces with ease and brilliance. With its low-voltage design and included transformer, you can enjoy the benefits of plug-and-play installation, ensuring a quick and secure setup. With an impressive 68.9 feet, 21 meters total length, this landscape lighting set offers extensive coverage for your garden and landscape. The 4.5 meters (14.76 feet) distance from the adapter to the first spotlight and 3 meters (9.84 feet) between each spotlight allow for flexibility in positioning. You can even extend the set by connecting up to 8 lights end-to-end with one adapter. If you need to light up an even larger area, you can purchase additional extension lights, making it a versatile and expandable lighting solution. The GreenClick landscape lighting boasts ultra-bright and efficient LED chips, providing a total of 1,800 lumens with a 2700K warm white light. These powerful lights offer much brighter and more stable illumination than solar lights throughout the year. With a 45 degrees beam angle and 270 degrees adjustable heads, these landscape spotlights create a soft and warm ambiance for gardens, walls, trees, bushes, flags, fences, and more. Built to withstand the elements, the outdoor spotlights feature a durable and weather-resistant construction. The thick aluminum body, glass lens cover, and metal stake protect against corrosion, cracking, and rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. With an IP65 waterproof rating, these lights can brave even the most extreme weather conditions, offering reliable illumination year-round. At number 6, we have the Brightown Outdoor String Lights. The Brightown Outdoor String Lights offer a delightful and energy-saving solution to illuminate your outdoor spaces with a warm and inviting ambiance. With 25 glass bulbs and 2 spare bulbs included, these dimmable G40 string lights with E12, C7 candelabra socket base consume only 5W per bulb, ensuring significant electricity savings without compromising on the enchanting glow. The practical and connectable design of these lights makes them a versatile addition to any setting. With 25 hanging sockets, 6-inch lead with a male plug, 12-inch spacing between bulbs, and 6-inch tail with a female connector, the total length of 25 feet allows for easy customization and end-to-end connection of up to 3 strands. Their portable size makes them convenient for carrying and storage, adapting to any occasion or event. Safety and durability are paramount with the Brightown Outdoor String Lights. All certified and equipped with weatherproof technology, they can withstand extreme temperatures, rain, wind, and damp climates, ensuring reliable and long-lasting performance. Additionally, the built-in spare fuse provides easy replacement, guaranteeing continuous enjoyment of the lights. The versatility of these commercial lights extends to their usage in various settings, including balconies, gardens, pergolas, gazebos, tents, barbecue areas, markets, cafes, wedding decor, and even ponds. Their warm and charming glow adds a touch of magic to any occasion. At number 5, we have the Ring Solar Pathlight. The Ring Solar Pathlight is a game-changer for walkways and pathways, offering a smart and energy-efficient lighting solution. With 80 lumens of light shining when motion is detected, it ensures a well-lit path whenever needed. What sets this pathlight apart is the inclusion of the Ring Bridge in the starter kit. With the Ring Bridge, you can unlock a range of smart features for your Ring smart lights, enhancing their functionality and convenience. Once connected to the Ring Bridge, you gain access to a plethora of smart features through the Ring app. Receive mobile notifications, set schedules, remotely turn the lights on and off, customize settings, and even connect to other Ring devices for a seamlessly integrated home security system. Setting up the Ring Solar Pathlight is a breeze. Simply connect it to the Ring Bridge, customize your settings via the Ring app, and place it in your ideal location. At number 4, we have the Goodsmann Landscape Pathlights. The Goodsmann Landscape Pathlights bring a perfect blend of elegance, style, and reliability to your outdoor spaces. With their sleek and modern design, these low-voltage pathway lights add a touch of sophistication to any outdoor setting, creating a beautiful ambiance that enhances the beauty of your landscape. Emitting a warm and inviting glow with their 0.6-watt LED and 22-lumen brightness, these lights set the perfect mood for your outdoor gatherings. The included cable connectors and metal stakes allow for simple setup without the need for additional tools or connectors. These lights can seamlessly integrate with your existing low-voltage landscape lighting system, making it a convenient and seamless addition to your outdoor lighting setup. Compatible with low-voltage transformers, including GOODSMANN transformers, these pathway lights are designed for 12 volts AC input, making them a versatile and flexible choice for your landscape lighting needs. The attached connectors simplify the connection process with your low-voltage wire and other landscape lights, ensuring a smooth integration with your outdoor setup. At number 3, we have the Leonlite 6W well lights. The Leonlite 6W well lights are a testament to the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction and product improvement. With a thoughtful and practical design, these well lights offer a seamless and efficient lighting solution for your outdoor spaces. The single, flat vertical grille design not only enhances drainage but also optimizes anti-glare performance, ensuring a comfortable and pleasant lighting experience. This design also reduces maintenance requirements, making it a hassle-free addition to your landscape. The 12 to 24 volts AC/DC power supply ensures safe operation, and with all listed wires, connecting the lights becomes a breeze, eliminating worries about fire hazards. The embedded part included in each product enhances waterproofing, adding to the durability and reliability of these lights. Speaking of durability, the Leonlite well lights are IP67 waterproof and made of die-cast aluminum, ensuring excellent performance in harsh weather conditions. The Hykolity 90 color rendering index provides a superior color rendering, making your garden landscape come to life with vivid and accurate colors. The no glare and grills design is another thoughtful feature. The rugged grills are barely protruding, allowing you to mow over them without any issues. These lights are suitable for installation on both sides of the path, and the adjustable angle reduces dazzling light, ensuring no glare as you pass by. At number 2, we have the Aponuo Small Landscaping Spotlights. The Aponuo Small Landscaping Spotlights are a great way to light up specific areas around your home, especially in the garden or in front of flower beds. The spotlights are admittedly small, but they're surprisingly powerful and will provide more than enough light to brighten up your outdoor space. The 270-degree rotation means you can adjust your spotlights exactly how you want without having to worry about overcomplicating the installation process. We love that these powerful little lights are weatherproof and built to last for years to come thanks to the LED bulbs. That said, although the lights are small and made to blend into your landscape, the design itself could be a little more aesthetically pleasing. And finally at number 1, we have the Malibu 50-watt Floodlight Landscape Light. The Malibu 50-watt Floodlight Landscape Light is designed to illuminate your space without the fussiness that can sometimes occur when installing aesthetic outdoor lighting. This option is extremely well made and weather resistant, so it won't rust or crack in bad weather, but it's also designed to withstand rugged environments, meaning you can install it on an uneven surface like in a body of water or on a tree without a hitch. The swivel head also allows you to easily adjust the exact position of the floodlight without hassle. Keep in mind that this option is relatively small, and although it's highly durable and long-lasting, the light bulb itself could be a bit brighter. That said, the price point for this floodlight is budget-friendly compared to other options, so you can always add a second light as needed.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.